Exactly how I do this one. So you guys are given a word problem, and pretty much basically, guys, when you're going through your mathematics, algebra 1, pre-algebra, geometry, algebra 2, whenever you have the word problem, one of the main important things is extract the information from the word problem, draw a picture, and try to label everything you have so you can get to a point like this, right? And then try to treat it just like any other problem. Don't try to get confused with all the extra verbiage that you have in the word problem. So basically what we have is, you had a ship on top of the water. They set an angle of depression going down 34 degrees. They say the distance from the ship to whatever the wreckage or the floor was 4,000 feet. What is actually the depth? So we have a triangle, right? And we know that the straight depth is going to create a right triangle. So therefore, we can apply our trigonometric functions. So I look at this and I say, all right, if here's my angle, I have the opposite and the hypotenuse. So if I want to find this value, I need to use which trigonometric function, which we sine. So I can say the sine of 34 degrees equals opposite over hypotenuse. Now, again, what I'm trying to do is solve for x. So therefore, to do that, what I need to do is multiply by 4,000 on both sides. Those will divide to 1. And my final answer will be x equals 4,000 times the sine of 34 degrees. Now, obviously, I'm looking for an approximate decimal answer. And when you guys are doing this, especially remember, this is 34 degrees. So make sure your calculator is in degree mode, right? Because if you guys remember that last test, we were going back and forth. So make sure you're in degree mode. And then I'll just type 4,000 times the sine of 34. And I get 236.77. 2,000. 220, 200, I don't even know what I said. 2,236. And also, guys, just make sure when we're doing word problems, if they are creating dimensions, meaning like we're talking about feet, we're not talking about units, make sure you guys include the dimension, right? You guys know from science, those are very detailed about you guys doing that. Well, when we're doing problems,